Search advertising in Performance Max. All the pros and cons. Performance Max campaigns are in such high demand today that some internet marketers are already fully using them to launch search ads on the network. Is this really the right thing to do? Old school is probably turning over in its grave. That's exactly why we're making this video today. Today, I'm here with you, Yevhen Kolostenko, a Google advertising expert in Ukraine. How do you set up search advertising through Performance Max? It's quite simple and will take no more than 10 minutes. Specifically, when you create an ad campaign, you add asset groups, add ads, and then specify signals where you indicate the search phrases your clients might use to find you. And then you exclude product groups, if you have them. In this way, the Performance Max campaign will display ads in the search network. But to remember that the Performance Max campaign can show ads not only in the search network, but also in the display network. And there is no way to exclude impressions there. That's why we'll go on to discuss all the pros and cons of such an ad campaign. Fast, yes, but is it effective? There are only 2 points in favor. The first is the speed of setup. The setup speed will be a maximum of 10 minutes. Yes, in 10 minutes you can set up an ad that will be shown in the search network. That's super fast. Second, machine learning. This ad campaign will make maximum use of artificial intelligence for effective bid management to maximize your conversions. And let's immediately discuss the cons. What are the downsides of such ad campaigns? First, there is no analytics on the effectiveness of impressions in the search network, such as the percentage of top 1 impressions, percentage of top 4 impressions, or the share of auctions won in the search network. You won't be able to understand how effectively you're appearing in the search network. Second, there is no analytics on the search queries your customers are entering. Third, there is no customization of ads. Specifically, you won't be able to create different ads for different groups here, like we used to do in old school search campaigns. Here, there will be a single ad that will be shown for all keywords. Fourth, it's difficult to work with negative keywords. You won't be able to effectively add negative keywords to such an ad campaign. You can only add them at the account level. Although, in the beta they say that soon it will be possible to add negative keywords at the Performance Max level. Fifth, there is no way to control the cost per click. If the cost of traffic is important to you, you won't be able to control it in Performance Max. This is only possible in old school search campaigns. Sixth, and the very last point, there is no guarantee that your ad won't be shown on the display network. Specifically, we remember that in Performance Max, ads can appear on all platforms available in Google. That's why when you launch search ads through Performance Max, remember that your ads may also appear on the display network. Overall, to sum up, if you care about speed, you can use Performance Max. If you don't have time or a specialist, use Performance Max. If you are interested in efficiency, customization, forecasting, and analytics, then you still need to work with old school search campaigns. Today, it was me, Yevhen Kolostenko, Google advertising and analytics expert in Ukraine, here with you.